Do you see pharmaceuticals? I don't know. I'm not picking a fight with them.
Pick fight. It's
Because
the
I'm
month of
seeing,
love. It's February.
yeah,
You don't pick fights.
yeah. So I'm seeing pharmaceuticals getting some benefit with AI models being trained because that's pushing people away from traditional remedies. Africa is a continent. We sometimes rely on traditional remedies. I've had instances where I've been having ulcers, and instead of going to the hospital, my mom would recommend something weird for me. There's a time I had a tooth issue. I was told, brush your teeth with aloe vera. It's bit. Will we ever incorporate, will AI ever learn or train from such data sets? Or are we going to banish that as old school medicine that doesn't work? And that's probably because the pharmaceuticals will give the research money to these AI companies.
So the question will be, when you used aloe vera for the treatment,
Yeah.
and I also had similar thing, and my grandmother recommended some funny leaves, and
Yeah.
I put it on my skin, and I got well.
Yeah.
For you, when you used aloe vera for that kind of treatment, was there any data that was collected? How soon did you get well?
There wasn't any.
Yeah, there's no any data. So what models are we going to train on that data?
So how do we fix that for Africa?
Yeah, no. So
We can't
so that
just-
is now the headache we need
yeah.
to sort out. We need to sort out like one, our traditional medicine not coded. Like
Yeah.
we need to public code it and say this are traditional medicine, so that when the patient comes in to the hospital, they were treated. We ask them, okay, you got well, you went home, you got well. You say, why? How did you get well? You say, I was given these leaves.
Yeah.
Then okay, you're given these leaves. What is the name of these leaves? We put it in the system. We code them. So over a period of time, we'll collect enough data which we can be able to train them on African remedies.
Yeah.
Then we should be able now, at least now from there, to recommend treatments and see how we can be able to provide treatment with the African context to it.
Yeah.
I mean, there's also the flip side
of
where you're told go and drink this goro of what, like a whole bucket of something, and you never get well. I think there's also that. We also need to learn from that
from those,
which doesn't work. Yes.
True.